Welcome to a new video from the Proton_Ideas channel. Imagine a pristine luxury home perched on a steep mountain cliff. Now imagine a severe rainstorm battering that same cliff for 3 straight days. The warning signs of failure start at the surface. Deep tension cracks split the saturated grass, signaling that the underlying soil is beginning to creep downhill under its own weight. Then comes the catastrophic moment where the earth liquefies. The entire structure slides violently down the mountain in a rush of debris. This is the real-world aftermath of improper hillside construction. When a home sits on an unstable slope, the results are devastating. We're going to rewind this disaster, clear the debris, and rebuild this exact slope using a multi-layered sequence of geotechnical defenses. To understand exactly how these systems protect a building, we first have to understand an invisible scientific trigger that causes the ground to fail, a secret we will reveal at the end of the build. You are listening to us from Proton Ideas. We'll start with an empty dirt slope. On a steep mountain, the primary threat to stability is water. Engineers manipulate local hydrology by carving interceptor ditches above the build site to catch and safely divert storm runoff. Underground, perforated pipes and drainage gravel are installed behind structures, preventing hydrostatic pressure from pushing against the foundation from the inside out. Preventing soil saturation is the mandatory first line of defense. Without a dry base, adding heavy construction materials to a slope is impossible. After managing the water, engineers begin excavation. However, cutting into a hillside removes its natural support, so we have to artificially harden the newly cut earth to prevent a collapse. This hardening is achieved with soil mills, long steel rods drilled deep into the hillside and grouted in place to bind the soil mass together. Next comes shotcrete. This high-velocity sprayed concrete creates a rigid protective shell on the surface to stop immediate erosion from wind and rain. This photographic source shows the two technologies working together. The internal pull of soil nails and the rigid shotcrete face create a secure retaining wall, marked by a visible grid of anchor plates. You are listening to us from Proton Ideas. With the slope stabilized, we move to the final phase, building the deep foundations that support the actual weight of the house. Heavy machinery drills cast-in-place concrete piles through the loose topsoil. These piles continue downward until they lock into solid, unmoving bedrock. Engineers then pour L-shaped reinforced concrete retaining walls. These utilize a clever mechanical advantage. The weight of the dirt pressing down on the horizontal base, or heel, actually pins the wall in place and prevents it from tipping. This technical diagram illustrates the finished system. The building's steel framework integrates directly with the deep concrete foundations, distributing every pound of weight safely down the slope profile. This multi-layered fortress is now secure, but we still haven't addressed the fundamental physics equation that made these extreme measures necessary. That brings us to the hidden scientific trigger, the physics of soil mechanics. Every hillside is a battle between two forces. The first is the driving force, the downward pull of gravity on the soil and building. The second is the resisting force, the internal friction holding dirt particles together against gravity. As long as the resisting force wins, the house stays put. But rain infiltrating the soil acts like oil on a tile floor, reducing internal friction toward zero. When resisting force drops below driving force, gravity takes over and the landslide occurs. Every tool we used, the drainage, the nails, and the deep piles, exists solely to artificially boost that resisting force so that gravity never wins the fight. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Leave a comment below and share it with your loved ones.